Hi everybody and welcome back to another exciting episode of Pretty Healthy with Preetha. Thank you so much for all your comments. Thank you so much for all the likes. Thanks to all those of you who subscribed and sent all your questions. Among many of the comments that came, one of the constant comments that came was, I have under eye dark circle, I have dark circles. Can you have a video for that? So based on all your requests, I have curated this episode dedicated for all of you. So there is a very famous saying, you ask for it, you receive it. Like that, in Pretty Healthy with Preetha, you have asked for it and so you shall get it. So there are two parts to this episode, as in the ingredients are similar, but there are two different recipes which I'm going to show. One is for the under eye dark circle, to vanish that. Two, for that as well as for addressing the wrinkles around the eyes area. So the first ingredient is cucumber. The second ingredient is lemon juice. And the third ingredient is honey. So what we can do is we can start. It is usually a general practice to slice cucumber and place the slice on top of the eyelids and just put it there for some time. However, in this case, we are going to make a small juice. First peel the cucumber and then grate it nicely and then put it onto a filter and press it with a spatula so that the juice comes out. Cucumber has got a lot of good benefits. It contains both ascorbic acid and caffeic acid, which help in reducing water retention around the eyes. The mild skin lightening and astringent properties of cucumber and lime juice is fantastic for dark circles. It really enables to fade the dark rings around the eyes. Likewise, honey also helps to lighten the dark circles around, and hence we have used these three ingredients for this first concoction. These three ingredients put together is fantastic to reduce dark rings around the eyes. The second concoction, cucumber. Slice the cucumber and aloe vera. Due to its alkaline nature, aloe vera is really effective remedy for dry eyes. It's also a moisturizer and it really helping reduce dark eye circles. You can remove the gel from within the aloe vera like this, cut it and place all the pieces into a small grinder and grind it into a nice paste. You can either filter it or directly take it into a cotton sponge and apply it around. So I am going to be filtering it a little bit in case there are peels or anything, it will get filtered out. So I have two bowls filled with liquid which is used for reducing under eye dark circle. This one, which is made out of cucumber juice, lemon and honey, is for reducing under eye dark circle. This one is just cucumber juice as well as aloe vera juice, which are ground together. This is for reducing under eye dark circle as well as for reducing wrinkles around the eye area. Let's see how to apply this. At one point when I used to sleep very late in the night, I used to study and work through the night, I developed dark eye circles, under eye circles. These two pastes really helped me in taking care of the dark eye circles. So we have seen not one but two combination concoctions which can be used to reduce under eye dark circle. One with cucumber, lemon juice and honey. The second one is with aloe vera and cucumber juice. Now these are ingredients that are easily available in our kitchen or just around us. So one of the main things in Pretty Healthy with Preetha series is that I try to use simple ingredients which are easily available and ingredients which are all natural and very less ingredients to make anything, be a drink or a concoction like this or a beauty routine, so that people can easily follow it first procure it, easily follow it, and can sustain a certain discipline. Because when you talk about fitness and beauty, sustainability is very, very important. Following a regimental routine is extremely important to actually reap the benefits of it. I hope you enjoyed this video of Pretty Healthy with Preetha series. I'll see you again in another video that you have requested. This is Preetha signing off.